Ever wondered why your credit score feels stuck in the mud? It might be a tiny line on your report called a negative account. And trust me, this one thing can wipe out 90% of your hard-earned credit score. Stick around because once you uncover what this mysterious negative account is, you will see exactly why lenders hate it. And more importantly, how you can fight back fast. This is Fnikra, where I uncovered the money truths they don't teach you in school. And today I am answering the question, what is a negative account on my credit report? And why this single financial term is responsible of 90% of your credit score destruction. And trust me, once you learn the 3 types of negative accounts that expire automatically versus the one type that never goes away, you will know exactly how to fight back. Disclaimer. Quick note, before we start, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just learning and sharing what I discovered on my journey to understand money. So take this as information, not advice. Alright, let's dive. The brutal definition. Simply put, a negative account is any credit report record that shows you didn't pay what you owed, exactly as agreed. That's a history of broken promises on your credit, and it always hurt. In fact, Investopedia defines negative information as data that adversely affects your credit score, including late payments, delinquencies, and bankruptcy. In other words, it's a red mark on your report for missing a payment, defaulting, or going through bankruptcies. It's a negative item. These are entries that scream risk to lenders. All that bad history drags down your credit score. Payment history is the single biggest factor in FICO score, about 35% of your score. Yes, 35%. That means a single late payment or foreclosure can wipe a huge chunk of your score. And if you pile several negative marks, forget it. Lenders may deny you outright or charge you sky-high interests. So why are negative accounts so damaging? Because they signal to lenders that you might be a risky borrower. They make banks and credit card companies nervous. If you have a lot of negative accounts, you will probably get denied for the new card or loan, or only qualify a brutal interest rate. And no matter what, negative information can stay on your report for years. Bottom line, negative accounts are like flares on your credit report saying danger, high risk, and they absolutely destroy your score if you don't handle them. The 7 major types of negative accounts. First, late or missed payments. You didn't pay a bill by 30 plus days. Even one late payment can become a permanent strain until it falls off. They can knock your score down fast because payment history is 35%, which is a big chunk. Number 2, collection accounts. If you fall behind for months, the lenders give up and send you collections. Collections hit your credit score hard and show lenders the debt was seriously overdue. Third, charge-offs. A charge-off happens when a lender writes off your debt as after 120 days to 180 days of non-payment. It stays up to 7 years from the first delinquency, even if you paid off. Charge-offs are one of the harshest negative marks. Fourth, bankruptcies. Chapter 7 stays up to 10 years. Chapter 13 stays up to 7 years. Fifth, foreclosures. If you default on a mortgage, the lenders take your home back. Foreclosure stays up to 7 years and are major red flags. Sixth, repossessions. Default on a car loan and the lenders can take the vehicle. Repossession stays up to 7 plus years. The late payment attached to them. Judgment/tax liens. Historically, these used to appear on credit reports but stopped after 2018. They may still exist in public record but no longer appear on your credit report. Each type signals non-payment and stacked together, they devastate credit scores. Impact of credit account on credit score. Payment history is equal to 35% of FICO. Negative accounts live in this category. A 30 days late payment is equal to huge initial score drop. More missed months is equal to higher drops. Collections, charge-offs, and repossessions is equal to cumulative damage. Even one severe mark can lead to loan denial or brutal interest rates. Accounts stay on your report. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, most negative items 7 years. Chapter 7 bankruptcy 10 years. Chapter 13 bankruptcy 7 years. Hard inquiry 2 years. Not relevant here. Most important missed buster. Paying a debt does not reset the 7 years clock. The timer is based on first missed payment, not the last activity. How to dispute challenges negative accounts. If a negative account is incorrect, you can dispute it. Step 1. Pull your report. Get them free from annualcreditreport.com. Second, find inaccuracies. Any mismatch in dates, balances, names, or account numbers gives you legal ground. Step number 3. Write a precise dispute letter. Highlight specific errors. Force bureaus to verify each details. Step number 4. Send view certified mail. Include ID, proof of address, and a marked up copy of your report. Step number 5. Wait for 30 to 45 days. If they fail to fix true errors, escalate with a CFPB complaint. Only dispute incorrect items, not accurate negatives. Legitimate removal. Pay or settle or strategies. Pay for delete. Some collectors may agree to remove the negative entries in exchange for payment. Get the agreement in writing before paying. Settlement. Paying or settling updates the account to paid or settled, which is less negative than unpaid but still negative. Statutes of limitation. This affect whether you can be sued, not how long the item stays on your credit report. Rebuilding your credit blueprint. Even with negatives, you can rebuild. First, always pay on time. Second, credit utilization, make it under 30%, ideally 10%. Add positive accounts like secured cards or credit builder loans. Third, limit hard inquiries. Fourth, monitor your reports. Every time on payment, new positive piece that outweighs negatives. Myth busting. First, closing a negative account deletes it. No. Paying off a debt removes it. No. Negative accounts does not hurt. It does. Score jumps instantly after 7 years drop off? No. CFPB deletes negative items? No. Only errors can be removed early. Accurate negatives stay for full term unless you get a rare pay for delete. Now you know exactly what a negative account is, why it destroys your credit, the 7 major types and how long they stay, how to dispute them and how to rebuild after that. Clearing negative accounts is the foundation for approvals, lower interest rate and better financial opportunities. If this helped you, subscribe, hit the bell icon and smash the like button. Check the description for templates and tools. This is Funiktra. Keep learning, keep fighting for the perfect score.